He didn't have to turn up to this. The fact that he chose to place himself at the center of the frame.
Thank you very much.
Well, that tells you everything about the state of American politics right now, because this is his campaign trail, the courtroom. Donald Trump self-cast as the victim up against a Democratic Party Attorney General and the Democrat-appointed judge. Take those two facts alone without the context of the crimes, and you can see how his narrative plays well.
We're wasting our time on this trial with a Democrat judge from the clubhouses. It's a disgrace. They ought to look for the murderers and the killers that are all over New York killing people. And the violent crime that's being committed in our city and our state is disgraceful. And we're going to be here for months with a judge that already made up his mind. It's ridiculous.
It was certainly symbolic that he left for court from the building he may now be forced to sell. Trump Tower is the pinnacle of his empire in the heart of a city where he made his fortune. It's also the heart of a scam, mass fraud, a judge has concluded, massively inflating the price of his properties to secure loans. He valued his triplex penthouse at $327 million, based on it being 3,000 square foot. In fact, it is two-thirds smaller, and it's worth $200 million less. He claimed his Mar-a-Lago resort was worth as much as $612 million. An outside valuation put it closer to just $28 million. The woman who brought the case was on the steps of court early with the first word.
My message is simple. No matter how powerful you are, no matter how much money you think you may have, no one is above the law. And it is my responsibility and my duty and my job to enforce it.
His strategy then is as blunt as it is simple, to scream witch hunt at every turn.
Trump lies all the time!
The number of trials and their variety obscures, he hopes, the strength of the individual cases he is feeding on a polarized country. And here, his property empire is at stake. Mark Stone, Sky News in New York.